What's up, everybody? Nacho here. Hope you guys are having a good day today. Today it's the morning and we're actually going to another prefecture called Oita, and what we're gonna go do there is go to the onsen. And if you didn't know, onsen is Japanese for hot spring. So now we're just waiting for the train. It's currently 6:30 in the morning, so we're a little sleepy, and then we're gonna be on the train for about 2 hours to our final destination. So let's go. We're really not supposed to do this, but we can't just die of hunger, you know? Alright, cool. We just arrived. Now we're just gonna go, I guess, pay the entrance fee and go inside. Alright, so we're given a map and we're just gonna walk around and just see all the different hot springs. I think there's a total of 8. I'm probably wrong, but check this first one out.
We're only gonna go to 7.
Oh, it's okay. So you heard it here first. There's 8, but we're only gonna go see 7.
Well, the other one is not included in this packet, so we have to go to it and buy a separate ticket.
Oh yeah. Well, we can just keep it at 7 then, cause we ain't buying nothing.
I just want to be with you right now.
Here to the next one. This one's supposed to be like a geyser, yeah. And if my Japanese is correct, I think that reads that it pops up every 30 to 40 minutes. So we're just gonna wait here until it pops up, and then we're gonna move on to the next location. Alright, we made it to our next one, and this one's steaming. This one looks so cool. Now we're at this one. I don't really know what they're called right now. My Japanese is a little bit rough, but I'll have names up on screen for y'all. This onsen is pretty cool. Check this one out though. buy some eggs, hard-boiled eggs. I don't know if there's like anything special about them, but it's something like kind of popular here to do. Let's just go ahead and check out the rest. It's always really interesting how they make you go through the gift shop before you get to the main area. All right, we're here. Now we're gonna explore.
I just want to be with you right now.
Alright, so this is a new location, so let me just show y'all around. So this is what our tickets look like, and it costs a total of 2,000 yen to see all 7 onsen. And this is the final one, so we're just gonna go in and check it out. Alright, we've been to all of them now, and here's the proof. Yeah, there you go, all 7 right there. Alright, so we're all done with all of that. Now we came to a foot steam bath. So this should be pretty cool. And it's free, so you know, we had to come here. We're just trying to find a little booth. I think we found one. Now we're just gonna test it out for ourselves. So now Elizabeth is gonna demonstrate how to do it.
And you're supposed to put this here, but it's too hot. Oh my god.
So, you know, it was too hot for us. We're not used to immense heat like that on our feet. So we just came and we're just chilling here. Alright, so we got done with that. Now we're on our way to do the one last thing, which is actually get into onsen here. This one is actually was a little hard to find. If you didn't know, it's really hard to find onsens that allow people with tattoos. Usually because I don't know about now, but before they used to affiliate tattoos with gangs. Alright, so we finally got here. This is the name of the onsen. Just in case some of y'all with tattoos would like to experience this hot water extravaganza. Now we're just gonna go, I guess, check in, get the tickets, put our stuff in our lockers, and probably for sure won't be able to record what goes on, but I'll describe to you my experience, because this is gonna be a little weird for me. Yeah. Whoa.
We need to get do the samba. Please sit down.
All right, Liz, so explain to us all the stuff we got and how this works.
Okay, so we got admission to the public bathhouse and to the sand bathhouse. And you have to, if you didn't bring your own towels, you have to rent them here and buy them here.
Okay.
So this is what they gave us. This is underwear that you put with the sand bath.
All right, cool.
And with the sand bath, they give you your own yukata, so like a robe that you
Right.
wear because it's a mixed gender, so you have to be covered up.
Yeah.
Okay, so when you do the public bath, this is your towel that you just use to dry yourself after.
Yep.
But this towel, this one's yours to keep. It's the one you use to wash yourself and to carry around in the bath while you're in there.
Okay, okay.
And they give you this for your locker.
All right. Thank you.
You're welcome.
There's a men's bath, there's a restaurant over there, and then the women's bath is over there on that side. It's a sand bath. That's the woman's sand bath. Alright, so we just got out of the onsen. We're back at the train station waiting for another 2-hour train ride back. But I just wanted to discuss briefly what the experience was, especially being my first time. So I was expecting like different types of water and stuff like that, but it's basically like, to me, it was like the same water with different temperatures, with kind of like different pool. But it was relaxing, it was nice. I think I would go back again if I could. So I'd highly recommend it if y'all ever come down here. So with that out of the way, I hope you guys have a good day. Remember to subscribe. Hopefully we can reach 1,000 by the end of the year. And follow me on Instagram, and I'll catch you guys later. Peace.